Assalamu alaikum student. I am Farah Imran. This is unit 1 sets exercise 1b. Question number 2. Look at the Venn diagrams below and answer the question that follow. A part. This is a diagram. This is a rectangle represented by U, and this oval shape represented by A, and this set represented by B, and there are elements of these sets. Okay, the first question is write down the elements of the sets U, A and B. Solution: U set is equal to all the elements which are present in the U set which belong to A and belong to B, and the remaining elements are all the elements belong to U. So the elements are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Here the point be noted that 18 is not the element of the universal set. Okay. Now the elements of B: 11, 12, 13 and 14. Look at here: 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Now the element of B set, that are 11, 16, 19, 20. Look at here, the answer is 11, 16, 19, 20. Now the part second. Find A union B, A intersection B, A complement, B complement, A minus B, B minus A. Now at first we find the A union B. A union B mean all the element of A and all the element of B. When we write the answer of the A union B, then all the elements of A and B. These elements are the answer of A union B. Look at here: 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 19, 20. Now we find A intersection B. A intersection B mean the common element between A and B. So this portion is the common portion which belong to A and belong to B. So the element of that portion is 11. So our answer is A intersection B is 11. Now we find A complement. Its mean A complement means is U minus A. Here we write all the element of U but not the element of A. Look at here, all the element of U but not the element of A. So the remaining elements become 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. These are the element of U but not the element of A. Now the complement of A, the element of this set is 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Now we find B complement. Its mean U minus B. Here we write all the element of U but not the B. All the element of U but not the element of B. So our answers become 12, 13, 14, 15 and 17. Look at here, B complement 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. Now we find A minus B. Here we write the element of A but not belong to B. Look at here, the element of A but not belong to B. Here the 11 is the common element which belong to A and belong to B. So we don't write this element because this is the element of B also. So the answer of A minus B is 12, 13 and 14. Look at here, A minus B is equal to 12, 13 and 14. Now B minus A. We write the element of B which is not belong to A. Look at here. We write the element of B which is not belong to A. So our answer is 16, 19 and 20. B minus A is equal to 16, 19, 20. Now the third part is verify A union B is not equal to A complement. Solution. We know that the elements of A union B, we find it from the diagram. These are 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 19, 20. So the element of A union B are all the element of A and B. They are 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 19, 20. Now we find the A complement. This is A complement mean U minus B, and we find its elements already. Look at here. 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. It's mean we write the elements of U which is not belong to A. So look at here. We write the elements of U which is not belong to A. So these elements are 15, 16, 17, 19, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. So the elements of A complement are 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Look at here. The answer of the A union B and the answer of the A complement both are not same. So it is proved that A union B is not equal to A complement. Thank you.